Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Meet the new Bugatti Tourbillon, the successor to the Chiron with an all-new engine. Looking at the outside, we can see the front horseshoe grille has grown in size compared to the Chiron, as well as the air intakes. The headlights have changed shape, and the rear has Bugatti spelled out. The Tourbillon details turbocharger and instead is powered by 1000 PS naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine coupled with 800 PS worth of electric motors, one rear-mounted and two front-mounted, producing a combined 1800 PS and 2300 Nm of torque. That is 300 PS more powerful than the standard Chiron. The Tourbillon is expected to do 0 to 100 km per hour in 2 seconds, 200 km per hour in under 5 seconds, 300 km per hour in under 10 seconds, 400 km per hour in under 25 seconds, and reach a top speed is 445 km per hour or 277 miles per hour. There is a 25 kWh battery pack with a maximum claimed electric on-wheel range of around 60 to 70 km or 37 to 43 miles. Lots of lightweight material are used to build the Tourbillon, such as extensive use of carbon fiber on the bodywork and carbon ceramic brakes. This makes it larger than the Chiron despite the hybrid drivetrain. The Tourbillon weighs 1955 kg. The inside has a totally new layout with many physical control and an analog look. There is a small display for Apple CarPlay. Just 250 units of the Tourbillon will be built, starting production in 2026. Starting price will be a whopping £3.2 million.